So you want to know if you should eat at your maintenance calories or in a calorie deficit if you're trying to achieve body recomposition. Well, you're in luck, because I'm going to fucking answer that right here, right now. What's up? I'm Sawyer with the Resurrected Body Recomposition. You're gay. As usual, I'm going to make this video without any edits, cuts, graphics, a script that I'm fucking reading off of, images, pictures, basically the same thing, colors, music, naked girls, because I'm not a pussy like these other YouTubers who need that shit to hold your attention. Now, the average view duration on my videos are usually 1 minute, so perhaps I should start using that stuff. But I'm not gonna, because I'm not a pussy and a fag. So, should you eat at your maintenance calories, or should you be in a calorie deficit when doing body recomposition? The answer is, I'm going to answer it. Ready? The answer is, it fucking depends. Why does it depend? Because everybody's different. That's why it depends. That's why it depends. So, for example, if you are a super fat fucker, say like 400, 500 pounds, and you're trying to do body recomposition, your fat ass should be in a calorie deficit. Okay? But if you're like, if you're, say, 5'8" and 200 pounds, you're not super fat. Like, sure, you're a little pudgy, but you're not, like, super fat. You're not obese. Alright? Even, according to the BMI, you'd probably be obese. But that thing doesn't take into account muscle and all that shit and whatever. So I would recommend, if you're a bigger guy, and I mean fucking bigger guy, then yeah, you should be in a calorie deficit. But if you're not as fat, if you're not, you're a little pudgy, you got a little beer belly here, but not super fat, I would eat at your calorie maintenance. Caloric maintenance, that's what I would do. So it kind of depends. Both guys should get 1 gram of protein. Both guys should be going to the gym 1 time per week, at least 1 time per week, hitting each muscle group until failure 1 time per week, and tracking progress. But what I would recommend is guys who are fat, capital F, fat. You guys should be in the calorie deficit. For the guys who are pudgy, lowercase p, a little pudgy, eat at your caloric maintenance. That's what I would recommend. So, yeah. I think that's all. Yeah. I was using minoxidil on my hair at the beginning of the year, and a lot of it came in, and then I stopped using it because I fucking ran out, and now I'm going bald. Look at that shit. There's no hair there or nothing. You guys see that? I'm 21 years old and I'm going bald already. But luckily, I got more minoxidil and I'm going to start using that. I have started. I've been on it a week. Before I started using that again though, I would go like this and I would have 20, 30 hairs. It was crazy. Thought I was fucking going through like leukemia or something, bro. I was losing my hair. But anyway, yeah. That's what I'd recommend. That's what I'd recommend. If you're fucking fat, and I mean fat. Who's a good comparison? If you're fat, like, who's super fat? If you're fat like Chris Christie, that fat thing, then yeah, you should be in a calorie deficit. Fuck you, Christie. You turned on my boy DJT, so fuck you. But if you're skinny, no, not skinny, but just pudgy, say like JDV, then yeah, you should eat at your caloric maintenance. But I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it was helpful. If not, get fucked. If you like the video, you're gay. If you sub, you're gay. If you comment, you're gay. But if you share the video, You're still gay, but I get more views. Peace out. Sawyer with Resurrected Body Recomposition.